Good day, traders. Let's have a look at the prices of gold. Let's do some technical and fundamental analysis. So as you can see over here, yesterday that I did mention that, okay, don't buy this motherfucker. Just leave it alone. Be careful. It will be on a sell. And in fact, it did. The only problem, me personally, that I faced yesterday is that um, with this retest over here, unfortunately, I took the trade here. He went to this area. I took another sell, and basically, I closed one trade at break even, other trade at 78. Okay, with this very small loss. It's just a few dollars actually, nothing too big, and I did manage this trade in a good way, I guess. Despite the fact I knew this could be a retest, but like I don't know where this retest could be, right? I know there will be a retest, and I know that the market won't push again to the upside. But the only problem, I was thinking, okay, maybe this retest could go again and to push at this key level over here, 84. And I think it's just too much to take such risk. Instead, if the market did so, you can take another sell over here, but the market didn't. Meanwhile, I took another sells at this level, and I got kicked basically with $4. So I'm totally fine. I mean, that's trading, right? The most important thing is that I didn't take a buy over here, thinking that the market to goes here. And for me personally, if I go long, right, I don't make my stop very, very small, right? I mean, assuming that I want to go long from here to here, basically my stop will be at this key level. It's 100%. It will be like this. So that's the thing. Meanwhile, that's trading for you. I don't know. I think maybe some of you took a sell here, maybe here, gather some, I don't know, something from the market, some small piece of the market. I don't know. But the most important thing is that you knew the direction and you basically didn't get stuck with the buys. Okay. For me, I know I took a loss, right? Loss is a loss, but it's just not like us taking a buy over here and your stop being over here and you're looking to go to this part, right? So let's do some uh, technical and fundamental analysis on it. So basically, I do see such a channel over here, okay, and I do see this one over here as well, and I do see this, okay. So basically, this is the channel where the price is moving right now, okay. Let me just fix it, modify it well. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so you can see here the market once he tested this area, he went on a sell. This level been broken, the market retested again. From demand, he became a supply, and then the market pushed to the downside. Unfortunately, I was looking for a short over here, honestly speaking, but I was sleeping and I couldn't take any trade. Okay. Meanwhile, so what we do have, we have basically two scenarios for gold. The first scenario is that the price to push to break this area, and then to retest back again, push, retest, and then boom, you'll see a full push over here. Okay, so really be careful with it. Okay, I wouldn't recommend you basically to take a sell here or maybe a sell over here. Really be careful, despite the fact we have this downward sideways channel, right? Uh, don't forget we broke through this level. This is a real important key line for the market, right? Even respected 1, 2, almost 3 and 4 time over here, and the market already created such strong key level with this candle. Um, this bull trap over here been respected now, and I think the market has the potential to go and to test this area 100%. Okay, don't think of a sell, and maybe if you don't want to take a buy, just stay cash. If you don't like to trade right now, um, don't trade really. I don't think it's the perfect time to take trades as well. At like few days and we will have the new year, and I think it's a better opportunity to trade in January, right? um, So you see this for me, like as a person who analyzes the structure, who's really in love to analyze the structure in the market, I do see basically a V movement to occur to break this level by a little bit, and then I see a retest, then full push to the upside. Okay, so basically this is the first scenario where we could anticipate today. The other scenario is basically will be totally the opposite. You will see push, retest, push, and yeah, basically like this. This is the other scenario that I do see in the market. And you can see once the market formed such double tops with lower highs, right? This is the first high, assuming this is the second high, which is lower than the previous high. You will see that the market to drop to the downside, to retest, and then to break this level. But I don't think this will be really easy. This key level is very, very strong, and the market here respected. This bull trap been respected with this candle over here. I will show you on the H1. It was a strong bull trap, right? The market tested, boom, and the sellers got trapped over here, and he went all the way to the upside, right? And now he closed this candle, which is a full clear rejection from the market, from the bulls basically, is that okay, you are done over here, don't fuck around with me in this area, right? So meaning that we could see a full push again to either 74 or to 85, okay, to test this key supply zone, right? It could happen really easy. If we go on the H4 frame, basically what I really do like is that okay, we have this swing high, then swing low, and we have this left shoulder, we have this head and retest, and now for me personally, if I really want to take a buy on it, I would like to see this particular H4 to go and to close over here, okay, at 74, to close, fully close, no friction point, no wicks, nothing. I mean no wicks, sorry. Okay, just no wicks, just fully close, full hammer over here. And next one to go down to test this level, and here I will think, okay, I can go long, okay, I can go long, and my TP to be at least 280, okay, where the market can also retest this area, and boom, he would push to 88 easily, okay. And I like if you just visualize it, if you just think about it, I mean look at it, he could do this move, and he already did, and now this is the other move that the market can did. It's very clear. If we really want to think that okay, the market want to go on very long sell, okay, it could happen, but it shouldn't happen like the previous one over here, okay. Here we have a structure, we have different story, we have different rhythm in the market, different dance. And what I mean by that is that like the structure should be formed, and at least this key supply zone to be retested again, okay, to be retested. And let me just remove this and this as well, just put it as supply, just put it like this so we remember. Okay, so I do see such move, okay, and here the market can decide. He either can break this area and to push to the upside, creating higher highs, basically like to go and to test this area and then to drop back and then and so on, to push to the upside, or to see like a test till this area 87, something like this, 85, and then a full dropping. And here we will have basically another structure, right? Like basically I don't know how it will be, but yeah, we will have this as the 50 level, we will have this as the supply zone, right, that the market tested. We will see how it will happens, okay, we will see how it will goes. But for me personally right now, I would rather to basically stay cash. I don't want to take any trades. Say like yesterday I took a small loss, but the most important thing for me, it's not like, you know, taking a buy and making your stop. $15 or $12, and then boom, the market kicked you out, right, immediately with one H4 candle. I think this is really important, right? I'm actually grateful. I'm grateful for that. Meanwhile, let's go and let's do some, or actually, let's go to Forex Factory. So basically, what we do have, which is on 3rd of January, is the JOLTS opening. It's really important. Okay, this one over here, and the unemployment claims, the jobless claims, which is not here, oh here, which is on 4th of January. These two fundamentals are really, really important. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, if they are weak, well, in this case, you will see basically the dollar index to push to the upside. He will be very strong. Okay, if they are good or maybe moderate, you will see that the dollar index to go down, meaning that the gold will go up again, and you will have an opportunity for the gold. The gold will have an opportunity basically to push higher and to break maybe this level. It all depends. Okay. And since everyone is anticipating a rate cut, right, it could happen. Okay, let's go to the DXY. Let's not make this video very long. Let's go to the H4 frame. Okay, so basically we did a great analysis on it, honestly speaking, from this level over here, from this level over here, all of this, we did it together, and uh, I hope like you understand what I was saying, what I was explaining back in that time, right? And here you see this rejection happen, this retest happen, and as you can see right now, we did anticipate all of that even before the fundamental news and even before the FOMC, right? So so for now we have this supply level. It's really strong key level, and here I will say key level should be tested. Okay. Okay. But before that, before that to happen, we're still having this channel over here. And I do believe this area it will act as strong supply, and I do see that the market here basically will push the price all the way down to 99.500, something like this. Okay. And this area it will act as strong demand. Okay, I guarantee it for you, it will act as strong demand. Okay. um I do see this move to happen maybe before March, before the next FOMC meeting, when it all depends on the rate cut, okay? But keep it in your head, if they're gonna make a rate cut in the dollar index, okay, meaning that the dollar will lose its value. I do see that the dollar to test these lows and to move higher from starting from maybe late January until March, right? And once the meeting happen, if it's really a rate cut, you will see that the price is to go magnificently either from this level to the downside or from this level all the way to the downside. I don't have any guarantee that these areas will be tested like here or maybe over here, but like in terms of like analytical point of view, I do see this area should be tested, honestly speaking, and I do see that this area should be broken, okay, and to be retested and then to push to the upside to test this area, okay. Meanwhile, the dollar index currently is in a really strong supply zone, and as I said, don't trade, with the dollar. I mean, in terms of currency market, in terms of gold, don't sell it. Yeah, it will be actually tough to trade. Okay. What else? I guess this is it, except one thing I want to mention. If we go and if we check the monthly frame, and I did mention it for you last time, right? This is the monthly frame, guys, and basically when the price was over here, and last video I did say, okay, this level here we had this rejection, then boom, he pushed to the upside. We're assuming that this key level over here, this area, this area, this area, was previously a strong resistance, right? And then once the market break it, the market retested, this area became a demand, right? Obviously. But the only problem is that here you have volume and here you have volume, and there's a huge, huge probability. I think of 90% probability is that the market to go and to test this wick over here. It should really be tested. Okay. I don't care about news. I don't care about anything else to go in the market. I care about the candlesticks. And I do see this candle to go, and maybe next candle, I guess next candle to go and to test this area. And here it all depends on the market. Okay, we either see a full break to the dollar to go and to test 89 lows, or maybe even below to go and to test this broken area over here. Okay, this area will be strong demand. This will take months, maybe weeks, I don't know, but I do see this to happen. Okay, is that a test all the way to 99. Okay, this is it for this video. Just keep it in your head. Gold in a crucial level, even on the monthly. Sorry. If we have a closure above, if this candle closed maybe 77 or 80, damn, I just need to drink some water. Okay, let me make it so short. If it closed at 80, something like this, above this key resistance area, then in this case we will see a more push to occur on gold, maybe until 2230, something like this. Okay, the market can do so, and you'll see a push and then a full break to the downside. It's something like this. Okay, it will be very tough. Okay, this is it for gold. I wish you guys all the best, and yeah, we'll keep training. We'll keep trading maybe from next week. If today, if I see something interesting, I would publish it. If not, then I will resume my trading starting from January 5th, I guess. I will publish some signals. I wish you a happy new year, a successful year. Those who are not profitable, just keep trying. You know, it's not a shame, I guess. For me personally, I'm still not that profitable trader, despite I do sometimes some good analysis, but yeah, sometimes I took some losses. It's totally normal. I'm always looking to improve myself in this market. And for the gold, those who trade gold is not easy. It's I really say it, it's not easy. Okay, it's kind of difficult. It's tricky. Yeah, it's just not easy, honestly speaking. Meanwhile, I wish you a happy new year and a successful year, trade-wise. Learn and yeah, be patient. And yeah, I wish you all the best. Have a great day.